Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a pair of Nike Vapor cleats right here. It's been brought to me to do a little customization on them. Something sweet and simple. It won't take long at all. I'm gonna try a new process out since these are cleats and it's my first time doing them. You know, cleats are used on a daily basis every day, and they get scraped and scratched and bent and all this kind of stuff. So try a different process as far as painting these, because don't know how well the paint will hold up versus if you're doing a shoe. Shoe is just you wear them here and there, but these cleats every day. So I'll be back with the finished product. Again, something new, trying something new. So stay tuned. Back, finished product. Never show weakness. Fuck lupus on one side. On the other side, fuck cancer. Never show weakness. Excuse my language. And then as well on the inside, the fuck cancer. And on the other side, inside, the fuck lupus. Now I usually paint shoes, but I took a different route with these. Like I said, this is my first time doing cleats, and me personally painting on the cleat, I'm pretty sure it's gonna come off because of the heavy activity, if that makes sense. So I suggested to the customer to go ahead and go this route, because this will last, it won't come off. So yeah, pretty good. It came out pretty good my first time doing it. Well, my first time doing cleats actually, but like I said, it came out pretty good. But like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think.